Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Scratch Meet Edu tutorial how to change position. So if you want to change position, you can use the motions go to this motion. Like I will click at this point and I will set the position to 0 and 0. And if you double click, the sprite will be moved to 0, 0. Like I will click in here, you can double click, we move to the position. Like I will move to this point, so you have this coordinates. You can set like minus 161 and minus 91. Now I will move into here, and if you double click, it will move to the position. For example, you can create for the when the flag click, it will be moved to 0 and 0. You can play, it will move to 0 and 0. Another spread like I will set to forever. So I will use glide with the random position. And if you play, it will be moved to the random positions. And if the spread touching the edge, it will be moved to the first position. So you can use the if, and we can use the sensings touching edge, it will move to the 0, 0 coordinate. So you can play the moving, touching edge, it will be set to 0 to 0 like this. You can see. Okay, that's it for basic Scratch Meet Edu tutorial how to change the position.